Merry Vlogmas and welcome to Dreamcrafter Creations. It is December 14th. This is the 14th day of Vlogmas and my name is Debbie. I am also known as Nonna and I am so glad you came into my channel today, and I really hope, because I know there's people out there watching, that if you are watching, you would please just comment. All you have to say is, I'm from Boston. You just have to say Boston. You don't have to say anything else. I just really want to know where you're from. I have been doing this podcast since March, and I decided to jump in with all the fun and do a Vlogmas. And it's really been fun for me. I really enjoy putting videos together and sharing my love for knitting, crocheting, amigurumi, any type of fiber arts. So if you have been watching me and following me, I really appreciate it and I thank you very much. And if you are new here, I hope you will stay a while and come back again. But today we will just talk a little bit about the Advents. We can just open December 14th. I have the 3 Advents going, but Pica Pau is a weekly, and I am still on week 1, and week 3 has already come and gone. So, well, not gone. I think next Sunday we'll be gone week 3, and we'll be on week 4. But I was able to work on Aurora Deer this morning for a little bit. I really don't have much to show you, but I will. So, if you have been watching me, I'm sorry. I know you have seen this little Aurora Deer a couple of times now in the last few videos, but she is, if you are new here, she is what I just started working on for the Pica Pau Advent. And so far today, yesterday, I worked on her a little bit and I was able to get this much of her head, her snout, and her cheeks. And to be honest with you, I have 2 cheeks, but it literally vanished here and I have no idea where it went. So it will surface. Everything comes to the surface eventually. But so I will soon be putting her snout on with her cheeks and then the ears and all that. But tomorrow I will have a little bit more time to work on her. Excuse me. The 5 of the grandchildren came over today, and it gets busy here when they come over. So I did a little crochet in the morning, but then I stopped and, hung out with the kids. And I also decided to make a soup today. So if you're interested in that, stay on. The video will show you my soup recipe and reveal what the soup was. But my other Advent that I wanted to talk about today was the Wool Studios Linking Arms wrap, which I've been working on since last year. But I've only got to day 4 last year, and right now we're just opening the Advents because the Pica Pau Advent is a little bit of a challenge. I actually watched a video from Cassandra on Craftily Ever After, and I'll link it below. And she has been right on top of getting all the Pica Pau weeks done. And the last week we opened was Grayson Robin, or Graydon Robin. I don't have it in front of me right now. And she finished the Robin, which is beautiful, but she did say how the color changing was a lot and that was the hardest one. And for me, the color changing is brand new for me. And they do say if you do the crochet under, the color changing won't, move each round. The beginning of the row won't move around as you go in the round. And I did say with Aurora, I was going to try the crochet under, but I forgot. And I'm still doing the regular crochet, the universal crochet that most people do. but a lot of people do the crochet under for the amigurumi. So maybe I'll try that for the robin, when I get to it. So for the linking arms wrap, before I open December 14th, I forgot to put up on the video last night, this number 13. This is good night. And she puts a nice little note in with each one. And this one says, most of my favorite holiday memories occur after dark. The lights shine the brightest, the stars are crisp and clear, the fire and companionship feel warmest. May you also be reminded of some of your favorite evening memories. So that is, I thought it looked a little bit like indigo. She's calling it good night, and it is, you know, definitely a beautiful blues. And if you want to see the other colors that I have been opening, feel free to look back in the other videos, because I'm not going to show that tonight. But I am going to open December 14th for Wool Studios Advent. And this is, I think this is a dark green. Wow, that is a surprise to me, but it's a beautiful Christmas green. Look at that. That is a beautiful Christmas green. And what does her little note say in here? And, you know, it definitely goes good with the moonlit. So that's beautiful. And this one says, evergreen, a classic for a reason. This color is inspired by the ambiguous greenery, both for its own beauty and its representation of our resilience and continued growth. So, ubiquitous, ubiquitous greenery. That's a new word for me. But anyways, this is called evergreen. So, and it is really pretty. Very, very pretty, and goes well with the indigo. And I keep saying this, I can't wait to get this wrap started. I really love the colors of it. And the other Advent, the only Advent left, is Summer Camp Fibers, Day 14. This does not look like yarn. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. Some stitch markers. We have a candy, a mitten, and a wreath. Very cute. Very, very cute. I think I'm really starting a collection of all the new stitch markers that they've come out with over the, you know, since I got back into knitting. I mean, I haven't gotten out of knitting, but like, oh, I am dropping everything again. The stitch markers, they're just all so cute. And I didn't start, you know, learning about all the new stitch markers and all that till about a year or two ago. Before that, I just was using the regular plastic ones. But now, like I said, between Dawn's Sheared Sheep, I forget the name of the website. I'll put it up here when I remember. I did a little bit of a mystery box with her, and I acquired a lot of new stitch markers, but they're all very cute. It's another little collection I have going. But these are cute. She actually, in the Summer Fibers back, I don't know what video it was, I opened two very cute needle stoppers that were like little sweaters. And again, I can't find those right away. And again, they will surface eventually, but I don't know where they are right now. And I actually have nothing else to talk about today. So all I really did was hang out with the kids, make some soup, and did a teeny little bit of amigurumi crocheting. So other than that, and what I did forget to mention is it was a beautiful day today with the first pretty much real snow. We had a little bit of snow a couple of weeks ago, but today, as you can see at the beginning of the video, we just had some really pretty snow, and it just is starting to look a lot like Christmas with the snow and everything. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to me. Thank you, and I hope you come back again. Bye.